Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. So we are live. How everybody doing? Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Goku, Sam, Roberto, Fake, Edison, everybody in the house. We watching SoFi from last Friday hunt. We hunted SoFi and IMGN in pre-market or before the market close and power hour. Both of them have good earnings, 85 for IMGN. For SoFi, let me just check, 8%. So both of them pumping in pre-market over the 10%. We got a few stocks to watch later on. We got TUP. Yeah, it's about to do something. Nikola testing our resistance around the $2.45. Interesting. This one looking interesting. Exactly. Yeah, this one looking interesting as well. FOXO, we have a huge pump for this one. We might have unicorn. Unicorn alert, everybody. FOXO. Interesting play as well for that one. We might have a good reaction. And then we got ALLR 3.28. This is kind of the support. I will lower it there. Yeah, this one is a maybe. We might hunt it later on. Good morning. Dave XPEV, we'll check it out. Nicholas pumping, yes, but not exactly pumping now because we have a resistance. Good day, Xander. Luigi, yeah, we hunted SoFi and IMGN. I think you tuned in to our power hour last time. Welcome to Hunter channel, brother. This was your first day. I think it was your first day, yes, in Patreon. So yeah, we'll check IMGN and SoFi for everybody is tuning in. We already hunted for two stocks before the market close. In our Discord here on Patreon, we opened almost 2,400 shares. Around the $9.51, yeah, for SoFi. Before the market close, yes, we did it in power hour last Friday. And if we go in earning stocks and check SoFi, is 12% and it's pumping officially, 12%. And yes, 13%, and we entered around the $9.52 before the market close. Yes, so this one will be a good hunt, guys, with IMGN. Not that good, just 4%, but not bad. For this one as well, we entered for IMGN around the 1967. For the same reaction, both of them, we hunted for them before the market close. However, IMGN already squeezed in pre-market. See with me, 12% plus 4%. This is almost 17%. Just for today in pre-market, it's holding the current support here around the 20. So I watch those two stocks just in the open in the market because I close my trade for IMGN if we broke the support, and hold it if we held the support for a continuation. SoFi, I will keep it as long as we hold over the $10.42. Yes, I will lower this level. I will keep it, guys. For this one, I will keep it and squeeze it. Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze this one because the short sellers started to cover here around the $10.43, and we're already up 13% now, or 11 cents in pre-market. So there's two strategy: either we take profit right under market open, or we do trailing stop. What does mean? Price hold here, we don't close our trade, reverse, we held, then take profit here instead around the 11.37, because we got great earnings. And again, guys, this is a new section that we always try to do on our hunter channel, which is hunting for earning stocks. So expect update before the market close for the stocks that have earnings. So we're gonna do video for this the stock that have earnings to anticipate entry, profit taken, and everything. So we did today Monday earnings stocks, the stock that have earnings and after hours today. And of course, if you want to have access to these videos, you can upgrade if you're already hunter with us to the king level or elite level. And if you're not hunter, you can actually join the link in the live chat section. So far is still looking pretty nice for a continuation. Yes, Raven still looking good. Thank you, Justin. Yes, Kenny, so far great earnings. Good morning, start with a like. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Let's start this market with a like. Exactly. Like the live chat section or the live streaming. If you don't like, then you are an NBC. SoFi, man, is pumping in the pre-market. That's why we suggest to enter before the market close on Friday. Price is jumping for a new high around the $10.80. We anticipate 11.37 test on the market open or before the market open, as long as we hold the $10.43. We got XPEV. Let me just check it for one of our hunter here. Dave, I think, asked about this. XPEV, not good, brother. We broke out support here, not good, or resistant. We already hit the profit taken around the 23.58. You see what happened here? We have our breakout here on Friday, and we pumped in after hours. Wait a second, it's after hours? Yeah, after hours. Pre-market went down. So we hit our profit taken, price went down, gap down. Yeah, so we have to update our levels. We went until there, went down. This is the bottom support. So anticipate price continuation down. If we broke the 20.55, we might have a drop until this box, then the reverse. So this is a reversal zone, Dave, here around this level. Resistance is around the 23.84. We have profit taken around the 25 next time. Yeah, 25. Around this level, we got many levels to take profit at. Yeah, target should be the $30 for XPEV. Neo looking pretty nice, man. We almost hit the $16 resistance. Price went down, so we got a support to reverse for Neo and continue to go higher. Neo looking good. Netflix and Tesla still, there's a level that we have to break for both of them. Look, both of them have this EMA to test, man. This is it. If we broke it, we're gonna confirm another bullish trend continuation. For Netflix, the same here around this area. If we broke it today, game on, man. Game on for Netflix. We might have at least 4% for today. For Tesla, we might have 5%. The same. 4%, 5% for both of them. TUP, yeah, we're watching for the $3.68 break for today. Roberto, exactly. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We have just 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left on the market open. The idea is being patient, guys. Being patient. When the market is ready to give us money, we have to be ready to take it. Because if you're not ready, the market will go and leave you behind. TUP, Nikola, oh man, Nikola should be a good trade for today. I'm watching it closely. $2.45, brother, $2.45. This is interesting. This is really interesting test. We did mini update for Nikola. Many updates, I believe here. Yeah, we did mini update back in the $1 and here as well around the $2 reversal. So yeah, we hunted many times for Nikola. The best one, it was here after this breakout and hitting the $2.89. Now I'm watching for another entry for Nikola. If we broke the $2.45, the seller still hiding here. Huge seller still hiding here. We might have a huge pump for Nikola on the market open. So anticipate a huge pump. If we have a pump and we got rejected here, is mean not we don't have like major squeeze, because we have to break this level without rejection. Let's like pumping. So we'll see what's gonna happen when the market open. So now we have on our list that we are already trading. We already traded in the power hour last time here when we did it on Friday, when we hunted for Nikola around the $9.51 exactly, yes, on Friday, and power hour hunt on our picture. So now we have this trade for SoFi and IMGN, both of them pumping on good earnings. So what we're gonna do, we have to add Nikola, because I'm gonna close maybe both of them if they went down, and be ready to enter a Nikola trade and TUP maybe. Yes, TUP. This one is overextended. Yes, really overextended. We might have a sell-off on the market open and go down. But if we didn't, we might have another continuation and a pump up. So I will put this one FOXO because it's the top gainer on today's list. I just put it in case we hunt it. And this one is weak because we breaking the support. Not good. before the market open, and we have a weakness. TLRY breaking a resistance, but this resistance is not strong enough. That's why we pulling back now. AMC, not today, 2%. Okay, we have a bottom, everybody, for AMC, $4.52. I will watch AMC as well. NEO looking good for entry as well if we held this support. Netflix and Tesla looking interesting. Yes. So we got 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left on the market open. Rob Epic Adventure, IMPX. I will put it right now. Lewis, thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Xander, thank you, brother. Okay, let me just check IMPX. I think it was on our list, but I took it from the list because we kind of have a drawback. Yeah. We need to break the 30 cent on the market open, otherwise I will not enter for this trade. Yeah, we have a huge seller here. 30 cent. IMPX, maybe we hunt it down. I will put it here just in case. So we got TUP, Nikola, FOXO, ALLR, IMPX, and TLRY. This is the stock, or that's the stock that we might hunt after we close our trade with SoFi and IMGN, both of them pumping in the pre-market because of good earning. IMGN, I have a mixed feeling with this one. I might close it because the reaction here is not good. It's not optimal, you know. We have a huge pump, then dump. For SoFi, way better. SoFi way better because we're still holding over the $10. If we hold at the market open, I'm gonna hold it. If we crash, I'm gonna close my trade with 10% gain. Not bad from last Friday hunt. Okay, I will be really quick. And the market open, we might have a huge flush for those stocks, okay, because they're already pumped. 5 minutes, guys. 8% around the $2.45, exactly, almost exactly around our resistance, the $2.45. So we might have great action for Nikola. That's why I will be ready to close my trade in pre-market. When the market open, I'm gonna close my trade for SoFi to enter for Nikola or the other stocks. IMGN losing profit. You see what's happened here? Yeah, so I'm having mixed signal with IMGN because we're already pumped, guys. We're already pumped for this one. So the short seller already entered here, you see? So I could have actually took profit here, but I was a bit greedy, but who cares? We'll see. Still looking good. For my opinion, still looking good. If we're still holding the 1750, it's still looking good for IMGN. But yeah, as we said, not good that we hit almost the profit taking on the pre-market. This is not good at all. But we'll see when the market open if we're gonna have a reversal, and then at least test the breakout zone here. You see with me here, huge wick opened for IMGN. SoFi still holding. Nice breakout from this triangle. We'll see if we held there. So we have other support for SoFi actually. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, we have some area to hold. You know what? We have another level. $9.74. But if we went there, let me just check. Yeah, we're gonna be almost 4% up. So you know what I'm gonna do here? You know what I'm gonna do? This support is not good. Yeah, we got the 9.74 and the $10. Yeah, the $10. We'll see if we hold here around this area to have a reversal. Okay, good. So I'm preparing for taking profit. I'm preparing to take profit on this trade. Good morning, good morning. Yes. Plus the like button, everybody. As we said, if you just came here, we already have two positions for SoFi and IMGN. We already opened it on our power hour that we did on our Patreon before the market close. We entered around the $9.51 with 2,400 shares, 2,400. And now in the pre-market, we are up 9%. We were over the 15%, but the price is pulling back before the market open. So we have 2 minutes left, and this is normal reaction. A lot of traders taking profit. So when the market open, if we hold over the $10, game on. It means a reversal and going toward the 11. So I'll keep it. I will keep the trade. If we held here, I will keep it. Otherwise, I'm gonna close it. For a better entry, you know. So we'll just keep. There's opportunity cost, you know. If I held this and the price will go down, then accumulate for over the support, I will miss the other opportunity to trade Nikola and the other stock that pumping from the resistance. So this is the trade-off. You have to know the opportunity cost here. If you held SoFi, you could use this money to have another trade that already pumping from the bottom. This one is already pumped, so we might have a pullback. So you have to have a trade-off. You know, you close this and go to the other one. But you have to be strategic here, because sometimes you close this trade and you go to the other trade and the other trade go down, then you go back to buy the other stock like SoFi, and SoFi hitting the resistance, so you buy around the top and you're gonna lose because the price will rejection. This is crazy, you know. You have to be no regret, you know. Buy, sell, forget. If you even lost money on this stock, don't say, what if I held SoFi? Never do this. So every trade is unique. Okay, we have a few seconds plus the like button and the way in. Our live stream is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence. We're not financial advisor here. Let's get right to it. The market is opened. So we're gonna take a profit. Let's check IMGN. I'm gonna close IMGN, trading even. Let me just check IMGN again. Yeah, I'm gonna close IMGN, guys. Not good here. Okay. IMGN going, sold off, already almost hit our profit taking here. So IMGN, close it. SoFi, I kept it. SoFi, we're already up now 12% on this trade. Great hunt, guys. SoFi looking good, so I'll keep it because we held over the 10 and still pumping. SoFi to the moon, guys. SoFi to the moon right now. We are 13% on this trade, going 14%, and C, yeah, 14% going higher toward the 1137. I'm gonna take profit there. Okay, 15%. Come on, 16%. This one going, man. This one is going. 11. Yes, I'm gonna take profit almost around the 1137. I'm not gonna be greedy here. 16%. Come on, give me more. Give me more. 11, 17, 11, 18. This one is mean business. Okay, we have 17%. Should we take profit here? Yes, let me go in smaller picture. It's still pumping. If the market wants to give you money, don't say no. Just take it. Okay. This one is going, man. This one is going. Yeah, hitting profit taken. Okay, I'm gonna take my profit around the 19% here, almost 18%. Yes, I'm gonna take profit here. Boom. Close my trade with almost 20%. Let's check the other stocks. IMGN, not good. We exited with this trade. Okay. What else we got here? Let me just go on the other stocks like Nikola. Oh man, Nikola, I'm gonna enter for Nikola here, looking good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, let's check. We have kind of breakout here. Yeah, Nikola have a breakout. TUP still, I'm watching TUP. FOXO, okay, we missed this trade. You see what's happened here? We missed this trade, we already have a breakout. ALLR, yeah, dropping down. I'm gonna take it from the list. IMPX, I'm gonna take it from the list. TLRY, holding. So Nikola and TUP, yeah, TUP and Nikola, maybe we're gonna have a trade. Tesla, guys, Tesla looking good. Tesla looking pretty nice, and Netflix as well. Netflix is about to break the 431. Watch out, guys. If we broke this level, all hell break loose. We're gonna have a huge short cover here for Netflix, and we're gonna have a good trade for Netflix toward the 453. So I'm watching for a breakout right now for Netflix and Tesla toward the 273. Neo, yeah, we have the 17. Nikola is still, let me just check Nikola if we have a continuation. So for Nikola for today, we need the $2.78 test. And now we need to hold over. Yeah, let me just check here to confirm that. This is our support now, $2.36. Okay, swing trade. We have Palantir testing still the resistance. Unity looking good, but we have a resistance here to break. AMD, no. Raven still. Meta still. Tesla low. Okay, PayPal, we have a breakout, guys. PayPal have a breakout right now. Looking good. PayPal for a trade. Okay, how much? 2%, not bad. PayPal, we have earnings coming up, so let's see if we're gonna have a continuation here. Let's see a pullback here for PayPal before a continuation up. Come on, pull back, nice. Pull back again, pull back again. I'm gonna hunt it down here maybe. Okay, let's oh, come on. Okay, let me just check if we have something here. Okay, let's see PayPal if we're gonna have a continuation, because we got some breakout, really critical breakout around the 75. So PayPal looking really interesting. Let me just go here. Foxo is pulling back. Even this one's pulling back. Let me just go on PayPal. Yeah, looking safe a bit. Okay, let me just enter for PayPal. Okay, so we entered for PayPal here around this level. Let me just check if we, yeah, we might do 3% here. CCL not ready. Amazon not ready. SoFi, yeah, you see what's happened here for SoFi. We hit our profit taken, price went down. Great. So as we said, SoFi resistant or profit taken here. So we already hit our profit taken. We'll see if we held the $10 after this rejection. QuantumScape, nope. HAL, yes, maybe this one will be good for a trade actually. Let me just check. Yeah, HAL, kind of safe trade. Really safe here. This one, not bad. Let me just check. We have some kind of support here. How much we could risk for this one? 2%. Yeah, not bad. INTS, I don't know about this one yet. Yeah, we might have an entry if we broke this level. So I'm watching HEL, we watching PayPal here, and maybe here SoFi, Palantir maybe, but we'll wait for a breakout here. Unity, yeah, looking good. AMD, okay, I'll put Unity here, AMD here, and maybe Meta. Yeah, let me just put Unity, AMD, Meta, and check all of them at once. Let me just check here. Yeah, boom. So we have to have kind of break here. Okay, we're gonna give some time. PayPal looking good for a continuation. Unity not yet. Let me just go to Nicola, we have a fake out, guys. Here we got fake out. Let me just put the resistance back around the $2.45 again. Yes, so we still didn't have a breakout yet. Let me just go on the 5-minute. You see what's happened here? We kind of broke and we went down. So this is a fake out. And the bigger time frame, we see that we have still fake out. Okay, so we don't want to have a flush down. So how are we gonna confirm that? We need to have a support. Yeah, here $2.16. This should be our support if we don't want to have a flush. So I'll give it time. Around the $2.16, we should hold and retest this level of resistance to have our breakout. Otherwise, if we broke the $2.16 this time, not even the $2, is mean a flush down. So if we held here, we're gonna have a continuation up. I will give it some time. TUP not ready, guys. So I'll put Nicola first. FOXO. Got rejected, man. Got rejected. Look, huge rejection, huge one. So this one is time for a huge pullback. If we broke the 26, we might have an entry back here around the 20. Yeah, this one might flush now. Yeah, time to flush. This one, time to flush. Yeah, if we broke right now, we're gonna have a flush here. Yeah, there's a huge buyer still around this level. TLRY, yeah, went down. That's why we said it's not good. AMC still holding. Tesla have mixed signals. Netflix looking better. Yeah, Netflix is about to break here. We'll watch. If we broke, I might have an entry for Netflix here. I might have a quick entry. Yes, but still testing. Look at this. We have huge wick from above, a huge wick from below. Undecision. Nicola, undecision, guys. Nicola, undecision now. We need to break and hold over the $2.45. This is it. PayPal looking good. HAL. I'm watching for this one for entry. PayPal looking good. Unity got shorted. AMT, Meta, still SoFi. SoFi, man. SoFi is the stock that's looking pretty nice. We already took profit here, guys. Instead of closing the trade early here on the market open, we said that if we held the $10, we hold it. So we did the trading stop and we closed it almost 20% from this trade that we opened around Friday power hour. Yes, power hour. We almost every Friday we do power hour and hunt stock before market close. So we hunted SoFi last Friday around the $9.51 before the market closed by a few minutes, and we close it right now around the 11.37, exactly around our profit. So now we're watching for another entry for SoFi if we broke the 11.37. Yeah, HAL looking good. PayPal, yes, PayPal looking good now. We'll see if we have a continuation for PayPal. Yeah, I'm waiting for another break for this stock to enter. Yeah, for this one, we might have an entry. Yeah, this one might mean business. Okay, PayPal still light on volume, but it looked good, guys. Look good for a trade. So yeah, we already entered for PayPal around the 75, 85. Okay, let's see if we have a continuation for PayPal and HAL. Let me just go here and put PayPal because we're still holding this trade, and HAL for a possible trade. Let me just go on Nikola. Yes, Nikola looking good, guys. Nikola looking good now. Let me just go on 15 minutes. Yes, looking good now. So Nikola, we're still holding Nikola. We're still holding Nikola for average $2.53. Yes, average $2.53, and PayPal average 75.85. Okay, Nikola, we might have a continuation. I might take my first profit taken for Nikola here around the $2.78. TUP is still waiting for the $3.68 break. Aha, Netflix, guys. Netflix is broke our resistance. Netflix. Okay, Netflix is ready to do something. Maybe I will enter even for Netflix just for small position. NF, yeah, this one, because it broke really critical level here. Again, small position depends on you. So always, if you want to calculate your small position for any trade, just calculate how much your portfolio and take like 10% or 1% from your portfolio and enter with it. This is the small position. So a small position for me is not small position for you, you know. Even for me is like, I will call big position like 100k, but for other trader 1 million is a small position for them, you know. So know what's the sweet spot for you, and you know it exactly. What's the best what's the difference between small position and big position is if you open a trade and you feel uncomfortable and stress is a big position. You have to lower it down. This is the easiest way to know. Nikola, yeah, we have mixed signals still for Nikola. Mixed signals here. Tesla, Netflix doing all right. PayPal doing pretty nice. HAL. So already opened here for PayPal and Netflix, of course, because we have a breakout, and Nikola. And maybe I will enter for HAL if we broke this level. We'll see. But now I'm still watching for PayPal continuation. John, we already have a lot on our plate. I will check EJH very quick for you, brother, and AURC, but we're hunting for mini stocks now, so that's why I can't check your requests, guys. I can't check your requests at least after the 30 minutes will pass. Then we'll check your requests, guys. Again, plus the like button on the way in. Plus the like button and the way in. We hunting for the market. Netflix is pumping, guys. Let's see where Netflix it go. Let's hunt Netflix. PayPal is still pumping. Yeah, Netflix looking good now. Looking good. Let me just check those two stocks for John, my elite hunter. AJH 45% for this one, but yeah, we have major resistance. We already did the reverse split back then, 1 to 10. This one is really risky, brother. If we pump, just make sure to take profit really quick around the 41 and then around the 51. And maybe if we're lucky, we're gonna go toward the 78. But now we have major resistance to break around the 22 cent, 87. So this is the first resistance to break. AURC, we have a support to hold around the 40. Resistance to break is around the 60. Let me just go back. Neo, Netflix, Nikola, HAL, PayPal. Come on. What we waiting for? The market is kind of in anticipation mode, guys. FOXO still holding the support, man. 26. We didn't break it. This is madness. If we held here, we're gonna have a reversal. This is it. If we broke for FOXO, the top gainer for today, we're gonna have a flush. Watch out, everybody. A flush waiting for this stock. Flush, 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 flush. AMC started to move. AMC started to move from the bottom price, the $4.52. I'm not convinced yet, because if we got rejected here, we might continue to go down. So the $5.16 will give me a signal for AMC entry. Nikola is still looking good, but I don't like this reaction, because once we broke the $2.55, we should have went crazy up fast. This is tell me that there's a big seller there, you know. Yeah, there is a big seller. Netflix, PayPal. Let me just check Netflix why we went down. Yeah, we still kind of consolidating, but I will give it time. I will put some support here around the 424. Yes, now we broke, so we'll take this off. We'll see if we hold this support. Neo going back down. PayPal. Yeah, I will give it some time. PayPal, I will give it some time. HAL, we might have a breakout now. Nikola, man, I don't like this reaction there. Still, yeah, we have a breakout. As we said, the $2.16 should be our bottom price. That we should have go there. Okay, I will put this support here around the $2.34. Tesla, Netflix, Neo, PayPal. Yeah, PayPal looking good. PayPal looking good. So we have mini trades here opened. So maybe I'm gonna do something here, because this one is still testing. Netflix is still testing, yes. Yeah, PayPal looking good, and this one looking good. Yeah, Roberto, a new record high. I think we're gonna go toward the 200. Guys, we almost have 200 people watching, but just 67 likes. You know what this mean? It means there's NPCs watching our live streaming. So we have to confirm if we have NPCs watching or not. So please plus the like button and make it 178 likes as well. Let's see. We don't want to see NPCs watching our live streaming. Come on, we need real people, real traders. So as we said, if you just came here, we already closed our position for SoFi Hunt from the last power hour that we always do here on our Hunter channel on Patreon. We opened 2,400 shares and we exited from the trade before the rejection. Now we hunting for Nikola. PayPal, yes, Nikola was already entered here on the $2.53. PayPal already entered around the 75.85. And Netflix, yes, we entered around the 432. So I will check Yes, Nikola looking good. Nikola looking good right now. Let me just switch for Nikola trade. Nikola now looking good because we held the $2.45. We did the support here around the $2.34. As long as we hold here, we have a continuation or profit taken around the $2.78. Earnings coming up in just 4 days for Nikola and pumping. Nikola is pumping right now. Yes, $2.57. Great. Let's go. Let's see the $2.78 test, guys. Let's see the $2.78 test for Nikola. Nikola is pumping $2.57. Okay, we are in the money now for Nikola trade. Let's see if we have a hidden seller, because there's always hidden seller, guys. There's always hidden sellers. So we have to spot the hidden seller because they are dangerous, man. They are dangerous. Okay, Nikola. We have, a hidden seller around the $2.57. Let's see if we're gonna have a cover up here. If we broke this level, we're gonna have another kick toward the $2.65. The second level where we're gonna have hidden seller. So let me just show you guys what I mean by hidden seller here. This is a hidden seller, and here we have another hidden seller. So make sure to take profit around those area. If you don't want to risk that much, you can just take profit. You see here, we have hidden seller, guys. We have hidden seller around the $2.57 and the $2.64 before the $2.78. So we'll see if we're gonna have a pump here or not. You know, there is another strategy. We can actually take profit here, then we enter later on around the $2.78 and see if we're gonna have a continuation here. HAL didn't break. PayPal looking pretty nice. Aha, Netflix is a bit weak. I don't know, Netflix is kind of followed the same trend as Tesla. Anyway, so let me just switch back to Nikola. Okay, first level. Let's see the short seller cover here, $2.57. If we broke it, I'm gonna take this level, and then we watch for the $2.64. Aha, still there, man, still there. Aha, let me just take a bit of profit here. Okay, we'll be ready. Come on, are we gonna break or not? Come on, because the longer that we wait here, we're gonna have a flush down. The longer that we wait here, we're gonna have a flush down. This is simple as that. $2.57. Let me just be ready to take profit if we broke or if we flush. I'll be really ready to close my position, at least with small profit. Yes, I'm gonna close right now. Yeah, I close it. So we have still the seller here. I will enter once again if we broke this level. So we exited from Nikola, guys. We exited from Nikola trade. Now we have PayPal trade instead. So let me just switch to PayPal. Yeah, PayPal is kind of pulling back a bit. Yeah, so for PayPal, I will see if we held here is good. I'm gonna hold it, or otherwise I'm gonna close the trade. Let me just check. Yeah, we're doing trailing stop right now, guys. Doing trailing stop to preserve our profit taken. We did it for Nikola, we did it for SoFi, and now we'll see if we're gonna break this level. Otherwise, I'm gonna enter once again. So I don't want to risk anything here. Let's see. Okay, PayPal. We already have a bit of profit here. So maybe we're gonna close it as well. So we could actually look for another trade. The idea here is being in abundance. When you be in abundance and have many opportunity, you don't hold many trade long, you know, just take profit, exit. Because we entered here, you know. Okay, I'm gonna close it right now. Okay, I'm gonna close this right now. Boom. Okay, we took at least 1% on this trade. I will enter once again later on. Let me just check here. Boom. So we took at least 1% on this trade, no problem. No hard feelings, brother. Netflix. Okay, so we still have this trade open. I will keep it as long as we hold the 424. Netflix or Tesla's okay. Neo, not good here. PayPal got a bit rejection. Okay, now I will be ready to enter for this trade instead. HEL, this one maybe will be good. Maybe will be good. Let me just check. Okay, we kind of have a breakout. Let me just check the support. Yeah, we got support here. We got almost 2%. Volume is picking up. Interesting. Okay, PayPal, I'll take it from the list. Nikola, SoFi, I'll take it from the list. You see what's happened, guys? 11.18 for SoFi. Price went down after we took our profit. So let me just put HAL right now and check if we could actually open a trade right now, because kind of looking interesting. Let me just check. Yeah, HAL looking good for entry. Let me just check. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, HAL looking interesting now. Okay, 5 minutes. This one we can't risk a lot. Yeah, just really small. Let me just check if we enter it right now, how much we could risk. Yeah, the volume is picking up, not bad. Yes, okay, I'm gonna enter at the moment around this level. Let me just check again. 38.89, 38.87. You see, we have some different price action here. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Perfect. I entered for HAL. Perfect. Let me just take Nikola and SoFi from the here. So guys, we have two trades now open for HAL and Netflix. Both of them looking good. Both of them looking good. Nikola, we closed the trade because we spotted a bit of hidden seller here around the $2.57, so we took profit. I will watch now for a break from this level. TUP not ready. FOXO still holding this madness. Okay, this one I will just take this resistance or support and I put it there instead. AMC pulling back a bit. Okay, so I will watch now for PayPal. Still looking good, guys, but this one is better. HAL looking interesting, 2%. This one, it might be in business. We got some hidden seller here. Hopefully we don't get rejected. Yeah, 39. If we broke the 39.04, man, we'd be game on for this stock. Yeah, 39.04. Now it's 38.98. Roberto, yeah, I know, light volume. However, there is dark pool, man. There is dark pool. So the volume that you see, that's what the market maker wants you to see. When the stock wants to squeeze, it will squeeze. If a big whale will buy, the volume will never be visible for you and me and the other traders unless you have access to the dark pool, brother. Guys, press the like button on the way in. We almost 100 likes. Let's get right to it. We always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. CET to prepare for the market and hunt for the market each day. And of course, we're gonna do, or we already did, Power Hour live streaming. Before the market close, each Friday, we're gonna do exclusive live streaming. Last Friday, we hunted for SoFi around the $9.58 or 51. And yeah, we closed our trade today when the market opened. It was a great hunt. And now we hunting HAL and Netflix, both of them looking good. We already hunted for Nikola and we exited here around this rejection zone. And we closed PayPal. We entered here around this breakout zone and we took a really small position, just 1% profit. Now we have just two trade to watch, which is HAL, which is breaking right now the 39. Nice. HAL, let's go. Let's see. For HAL, we need a pump at least around the 43. Yeah, we might do 10% or 12% in general. Yeah, around the 43. But you know what? I might take my first profit there. Yeah, let me just see. Because we might have some profit before that. Yeah, around the 39. Yeah, this is doable because we're already 2% now and we might do another 2% before a rejection. So yeah, now we have official a break, kind of, yes, a new high over the $39. Great. Yes, HAL already entered around the 38.93. This is our average price. Netflix, yeah, our average is around the 438 or 32. Okay, let's see. JAC, great question. What's my broker? So if you live in United States, I prefer to you to choose Momo because you can win mini stocks, brother. Really, if you're really lucky and you live in United States, just go on Momo, brother. This is the best because you have, of course, you have free stocks when you join Tesla and mini stocks, extra shares right now because some are exclusive with this link. So yeah, if you are in the United States, just choose Momo. Okay, we have a breakout here. HAL 39. Volume is still light, but as we said, there's dark pool. So if some whale buying, he's buying in the hidden in the darkness. Netflix, nice. Finally, Netflix. Finally, we entered in the green side. Netflix. Let's go. We're watching this breakout from the last week, man. I was waiting for this breakout around the 430. Netflix is better than Tesla because Tesla went down. We're waiting for Tesla to break the 273 for action. This is the action, man. This is where we're gonna have action for Tesla. PayPal is still stalling. That's why we exited from PayPal. EJH, it's pulling back hard down. Yeah, Netflix looking good. Nikola might have a breakout now. $2.57. ALLR. No, I don't know. Let me just check. No, not good, brother. Because we broke the $3.25. I don't suggest for entry here. Is maybe yes, we might have a pullback around this level. So this should be the bottom. Yes, $2.93. But I suggest to enter after we break the $3.25. But here we might have a consolidation and low volume. Okay. If you entered, you lose kind of opportunity cost because some stock will be ready to pump and you'll be stuck inside this trade. This is the trick, you know. This is the trick. Netflix looking pretty nice. Netflix looking pretty nice. Yes, good entry for Netflix around the 432. We're still waiting for a continuation for Netflix. My price target for today, Netflix, is the 453. Let me just check SoFi once again because we exited around our profit taken, which is the 1137. You see here we have some kind of accumulation. So we have 1143, yeah, give or take. We'll see if we break. $10 still kind of the support. Yeah, $10. I expect a pullback, man. I expect pullback because we're already 18%. Yeah, I expect pullback here before I continue higher. It's better because if we pumped right now, we might get rejected before even the profit taken. So I suggest or I prefer to have SoFi go back to the 10 for entry, because if we broke the 1143, I will not risk entering once again. I will be in sideline now. HAL, nice, still pumping. Whoa, Nikola looking pretty nice. Okay, so Nikola broke the first level. Now the shorts started to cover. The level that we have to watch now is the around this level, $2.79. Yes, $2.79 for Nikola. Yeah, $2.79 is our target now. Plug. Yes, plug looking interesting here. Yeah, plug not bad, guys, not bad at all. The 1230 is our support. We got resistant around the 1342. We might have a test there. This is the breakout zone for plug. In the big picture, plug is still in the bullish trend. So we got some, yeah, we got some levels. So plug looking good, not bad. Plug looking interesting. SoFi, we should have a pullback, man. Stay, man. Why? Sometimes I really hate the Mac when you just switch or make a mistake. You kind of you get outside the trading view, or you go, I don't know. Anyway, PayPal, HAL, Netflix. Yeah, Netflix looking good, still pumping toward the 453. Nikola, whoa, 43 million, still pumping 4 days before the earnings. The level that I'm watching for a huge test is around the 279. We might have a wick until almost the $3, where we got rejected before, around the 290, I think. Yeah, 294. Before that, around the 290. So yeah, 290, but before we might have a test there. Yeah, 279 should be the level that we should worry about. Yeah, HAL pulling back now. Yeah, now is 1 million, not bad. 1 million worth of volume. Yeah, plug is plugging right in the charging point. It's still pumping. Yeah, 8%. SoFi is pulling back, guys. Yeah, it have to pull back around our first profit taken. I think we discussed SoFi profit taken here. Let me just go back. Yes, you see here, guys, on our power hour, we discussed the profit taken around the 11.37, and we said this is the ignition between the $10.13 and $9.75. And you see it here clearly. We hit over the 11.37, but we started to get rejected. You see what's happened here? That's why we took profit right after a few minutes when the market opened, because we said we have to have trailing stop. So we don't have to exit. We don't have to be panicking. If we prepare before the market open, which we always do, on our Discord and Patreon, you see here we always do pre-market update and watch list. If you prepared, you know that the price, if it held over the 10, why you exit? You just do trailing stop. So instead, we exited with 9%. No, we exited with almost 20% because we did trailing stop instead closing the stock or the trade early. So this is the trick. Know when you close the trade early. However, know when you actually do trailing stop and expand your profit taking. Because as we said, if the market willing to give you money, don't say no. Because sometimes the market will be hard, man, and price go down on us. So the best way is maximize our gain and lower our risk or lower our margin of loss. So this is it. That's why we said it's not about the percentage for a trader to be successful, but is about is not the number of the trade. So if, let's say if you winning trade is 30% win and 70% loss, you tell me this is a bad trader. No. If those 30% of winning trade is maximized, like you take 5x profit and 1x loss, if you calculate 5x3, how much? You be more than you lose. So even if you lost 7, if you win 3, but you win ratio is 5 to 3, is mean you win 5, you lose 1, is mean the 3, it will be almost 15%. 5 times 3 is 15. So you 5 times 3 is like 30%. With 5 would be almost you'll be in winning side. You know, even if you lose 70%, you'll be almost 150% up. So you have. Let me just take this 150 minus 70. So you'll be 80% in gain. So you see, it's not about how much you lose or how many trade you lose, but the percentage of winning trade. That's the trick. This is the trick, man. This is the trick. PayPal, HAL, Netflix is looking good. Nikola, okay. So let me just watch Netflix. We have it here. Netflix now is around the 435, 432. Yeah, it's going slowly. It's going slowly but steadily. This one as well, going slowly and steadily. Halliburton. Okay. PayPal or SoFi is breaking. Netflix, Tesla still weak. We got this one. CCCC, guys, is breaking. This one is breaking, but light volume, not good. Really light. Neo reversing. Unity got shorted, man. Got shorted. Look at this. But still holding the last bottom here. The last bottom for Unity. AMD shorted. Mira shorted. PayPal looking good. INTC shorted. HAL is pumping. Interesting, everybody. Let me just check crypto. Crypto, we have Shiba Coin Wow, Shiba coin is testing our ascending channel here. Yeah, Shiba coin looking still good for a break. We have a huge triangle here, guys. Look at Shiba coin. Not bad, really. And now, if we go to swing and check all the stocks, Palantir, yeah, Palantir, not bad. Escaping, it's 10% for today. Raven still, Tesla still, CCL, Nvidia, Amazon, UPST. Whoa, what's happening to UPST here? We kind of have a break. 4%. Okay, UPST, maybe we're gonna check it later. DKNG got shorted. I'm gonna take it from the list. INTC, Neo, Meta, Unity, AMD, PayPal. Yeah, this one, I will watch this one instead. Let's go very quick to see the volume gainer for here. SoFi is the top one volume gainer, 86 million. Then Palantir, then Nikola, of course. Neo, XPEV got shorted because we got a new price target, but they downgraded. TUP, man, we have to watch TUP, guys. Looking juicy for trade. TUP alert. TUP, everybody. This one maybe Lucid. Nope. ALLR. Maybe ACHR. What's going on with this one? Are you kidding me? This one is pumping without us, man. No. There's something for this one. Yeah. There's something happening here. Let me just check how much we missing. Whoa, 24%. Around the 7, and we might even go toward the 9. Okay, we got something here, guys. ACHR. This one could be a runner. TLY. Yeah, TLY looking good as well. Plug looking good. You know what? I'm gonna put TLRY, plug, maybe Snap. Whoa. Snap as well. Looking good, guys. Let me just poke Snap as well. There's many stocks doing crazy action here. Oh, brother. We got something else. FUBO as well, looking good. Really good here. Okay. I will put FUBO here. FUBO. ACHR. This one, nope. This one, nope. SoFi is good. You know, guys, when you be accustomed on trading, you have few seconds. I have few seconds, really.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I'm not trying again. Get lost, Siri. You're really annoying. Anyway, so SYAM. SYAM. So the idea, guys, when I see a stock or even a human being, I have a few seconds to know if this person is good or not, or bad or not, or have something to offer or not, or is a liar or not. This is kind of intuition. This is what stock market trading taught me. Even it's not even trading, even in like in real life. Even if I want to take decision where I should eat, or like a few seconds, like okay, like really few seconds, I can see if it's good or not, good investment or not, good person or not. It's like sometimes, yeah, I get fooled, and maybe I like. A lot of people judge people just from the look, but I don't judge people from their look, but from the the energy they have, from their body language, you know. So it's not superficial. A lot of people like judge other people just from their look, you know, what they're wearing and things like this. And I never do this. It's kind of superficial, of course. But the main question here, you have to know the right question to ask to any person to know if they are good or not. So this is the trick. You have to know what you ask. The same for stock market or stocks. You have to know exactly what you're looking for the stock. For me, technically, I have few set of value. If I look in few seconds and the stock fit my criteria, I bought it. That's why I bought those stocks here. And as I told you guys, I can't even explain this, but it's kind of come to you with time, with experience. But in the time being, I'm still looking for stocks that I will put on the trades or potential stock that we should trade later on, that I will might do a short analysis for them here on day trade. After we finish our live streaming, we're gonna do update for those stocks. That's why I just watch and see if we're gonna have a stock that ready to pump this week. This one I don't trust, man. PJY. Yeah, this one maybe would be good. PJY. Okay, we have a really good list here. And let me just go here, Jesus list. I will take those. Wow, HAL looking interesting. Doing a new high. Okay, I'm gonna take it here. I'm gonna put those on Jesus list. We got CCC maybe, but the volume is light. I will think about if we gonna enter for this one. We got ACHR. Yeah, this one looking really interesting here. Yeah. Okay, TRY. Yeah, maybe this one will be good, but there is always a but, man. Plug, Snap, FUBO, SYM, and BGY. Yeah, Snap looking pretty nice here. Yeah, pretty nice. Let me just check how much we can do here. 2%, 8%. Let me just go here. Netflix is doing all right, and this one doing all right as well. 2%, 44, but we have to be patient because we can make any stock to do what we want to do. TUP, whoa, TUP got a breakout. We got a breakout for TUP, almost breakout. Okay, TUP looking good for a trade, guys. With Nikola, both of them looking good. Tesla is reversing. Netflix is still looking good. This one, wow. Nikola looking good. From the $2.45, and here already 8%. Yeah, going toward the profit taking. Nicola's going toward the profit taking. Netflix is still kind of, yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take my profit here for Netflix. I'm gonna close this trade early. Yeah, because it's take time here, slow. I'm gonna close the trade. And I will keep this one, HAL. So we have just one trade now. I'm watching Nikola and TUP. Yes. You know why I close my trade? Because there's other opportunities, you know, so I don't have to hold any stock that is not ready to pump. So yeah. Plus the like button and the way in. So as we said, we have NPCs. What I mean, the people who never act or like or chat. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Nobody gonna hunt you down or eat you. If you want to say something, just say it here. If you have any opinion or suggestion, please share it here with our community hunters. We always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. So please plus the like button in order to make our live streaming expand more for another traders. That's why we help another trader here. We have to share our experience. We share the stocks, play. So here is about sharing and caring, you know. Sharing is caring. So plus the like button, share our live streaming with the loved one. If you know someone who's struggling trader, just share our live streaming with them in order to show how to trade and how to spot the hidden sellers and short sellers and how to trade and how to take profit, you know. So this is why we're here. We hunt for the market, enter and exit with profit. Thank you, John. Okay, TUP. Let me just put TUP here. We're ready, as we said, entered for this stock, HAL. Still pumping now, so we keep this trade. Now I will try to open TUP. Remember, guys, this stock is not high volatile. That's why I'm open another trade. So usually I don't open more than 2 trade if both 2 trade is or both 2 stocks is pretty volatile. So I'm not worried about this one, because if it went down on me, it will go down 1%, 2%, not 10%. It's like never happened for this stock. So that's why I'm opening now for heavily active trade or stock heavily volatile for TUP, because this one is pumping right now. Whoa. Let me just open very quick trade here. Whoa. We have some action, guys, for TUP. 23%. We have the support is around the $3.39. Yeah, TUP looking crazy now. 17 million. I will give it some time because we have mixed signals here. Nicholas looking good. Tesla looking good. Netflix. HAL looking better. PayPal. Let me just check PayPal. Yeah, PayPal, we have a resistance around 76.50. We might have another entry for PayPal here, guys. We might have another entry here for PayPal. Yeah, let me just check how much we're willing to risk for PayPal here. Yeah, really small risk here. You know what? Let me just open an again for PayPal, because the risk is really small here. Really small. Yeah, let me just open a trade here. Yeah, we entered for PayPal because we calculated the risk is really small, just 0.28%, and the gain is really big. If we actually broke from this resistance, we might do 3%. So I'm watching for this triangle to break. If we held this triangle, I'm gonna hold it. Otherwise, if we went down, just close the trade. Simple. TUP, yeah, still mixed signal here. Even though we have a breakout, but still we don't have a continuation. But it's good. This one, if you want to risk, guys, if you want to risk, you have to risk 11%. You see what's happened here? The support is a bit far. But if you want to win, you're gonna win 20%. So the strategy is either you wait for a bit of pullback here for entry, or you enter right now, but you have to be willing to lose 11%. So this is the trick. Nicholas, the report is 4 days. I think this week. Yeah, I think Friday. Yes. We have earnings on Friday. Martin Apollo, thank you for the information. Great, John Friedman. Wise choice. Why don't you play with options? Because this is our rules. Don't play with fire. Because options kind of depend on the fundamental more. And yeah, you can play options, but options a bit complicated. If you want to start with options, I don't suggest anybody new trader to play with options. And yeah, options could be a good hedge and better than shorting. Just shorting is much safer if you know what you're doing and you do hedging thing like you buy put and call. But even if you buy put and call, there's intrinsic and extrinsic value for any option, you know. So even if the stock worth $1, but the put option could be like worth $10 in future. So this is the trick. It's not, we can actually play or know exactly what we could win, you know, in percentage wise, because it depends on the what the other trader willing to buy the option for. So it doesn't fit my hunter strategy, you know, because I want to control the situation. In options, you can't control the situation. It's a bit hard to predict exactly how much you win and how much you lose, you know. It's kind of gambling. However, everybody have their strategy, you know, and everybody have the sweet spot. For me, my sweet spot is trading, day trading, swinging. I have more flexibility. I have more control on the trade, you know. So whatever you feel your thing, you know, everybody have their thing. Because if you, let me just give you this example. If you are a really good basketball player, if you want to play football, you're gonna be suck. So stay in your lane, you know, just focus on one thing. If I do options, I will never be better on trading. I will lose focus, you know. I want to be focused on one thing. I could actually trade the Forex. I could trade the crypto like 24 hours. But this will make my concentration and focus getting lower because I will be distracted. So that's why I focus on one field. Stocks, day trading, maybe swing trading. For crypto, maybe I swing trade, but not day trade. Exactly, Apollo. Is kind of the gazelle and the cheetah example. The cheetah focus on one gazelle. If the cheetah want to focus on many gazelle, will never end up hunting the gazelle itself. So for the idea is, cheetahs really kind of smart. They choose the wounded gazelle. So I have this analogy for the wounded gazelle for everything. So if you want to hunt something, you have to try to focus on the wounded gazelle, the gazelle that can run really fast. Yeah, it's kind of brutal and hard to think about this, but this is nature, man. If you want to survive, you should find the weakest prey to eat it, you know. This is nature, it's not me. I'm not telling you to kill animals and things like this. I'm just explaining nature for you guys. Aha, so this one we have a bit of weakness here. So no plug, HAL, Netflix, okay, Nikola, TUP got kind of shorted. So yeah, TUP I will watch for the $3.37 reversal. So this should be the reversal. Again, guys, we're gonna do update later on our Discord. So we're gonna do a swing trade and day trade, both of them here. So it's stay tuned for this update later on after we finish our live streaming. And the power hour, we always do it on the Friday, okay? So Friday is the power hour. Before the market close, we hunt for mini stocks before the market close. And some of you asking about what's the broker that I suggest or I recommend. So you can actually choose Momo because you can actually win 15 free stocks. And now you have extra share of stocks of Tesla and XPEE or EXPE. So yeah, this is a summer exclusive offer. So the link I just put it here. Let me just put it again so I'll never forget and make it easier for you to actually get those stocks. So before I forget, I just put the link here if you want to join Momo and get those free stocks. Of course, John, let me just check it for you. Wow. PayPal preparing for something. PayPal is preparing for a huge thing. Nikola as well. TUP, nope. So guys, Nikola is preparing for something as well. Look, Nikola is preparing for a test, huge test here. Look at this beautiful chart, man. No, it doesn't work. So yeah, we have good reaction for Nikola. We might have a squeeze for today. 19%. So this is really nice jump because usually we jump 10%, 8%, not 20%. So 20% is mean there's action. There's a huge whale buying. However, yeah, we getting near the profit taken and resistant. Profit taken and resistant. Yeah, $2.79. We got other level. $2.95. Yeah, Netflix or Nikola looking good. And HAL looking even good. Let me just put this one here. Aha, you see? Okay, perfect. Guys, press the like button and weigh in. On the way in. Yeah, Nikola could run, of course. YELL. Earning coming up in just 2 days. That's why we have action. John always bring the volatile stocks. He likes volatile stocks. John, he's one of our elite hunters, and he always like hunting volatile stock that pumping over 100%. He like the action. Okay, so we got support here, $1.45. First support. Second support is around this level, the 90 cents. We got yeah, profit taking here, there, yeah, $2, and the ultimate one is the $3 for today if we are really squeezed. Okay, let me just lower this around the $1.35 and make this up here, 96. Yes. So yeah, $1.38 support, second support 96. This should be our bottom if we don't want to have a flush, even if we broke the $1.38. Then we got the $1.86, $2, and maybe the $3 as a profit for this stock. PayPal looking good still. PayPal is preparing for something big. If we broke this triangle, we might have a really good action here. We might have 2% or 3% for PayPal. HAL bumping up and down, mixed signals. Netflix looking good, better than this one. Nikola is preparing for a huge jump. TUP, yeah, started to reverse. Yeah, Nikola, man. Nikola is good. trophy place, yes. Exactly. John, we have to be like tigers. Exactly, not like hyenas. There is tigers and hyenas in the market. Tigers eat fresh food, eat fresh gazelle. Hyena eats really like from the dumpster. They don't care. They just want to eat, and they steal. So don't be hyena, be a tiger. Tiger enter here. Those tigers. Here's the tigers. And the hyenas eat here. Sometimes they get lucky and they price continue to go higher and they eat more. But more often they buy here and the price will go down. Or they hunt here, but they can't actually steal from tiger because tiger will find out and they punish them. And the price go down on them, or they will leave eating nothing. So the same here. Don't be hyena and eat here. Be a tiger and eat down there, and then finish and let the hyena eat that like the leftover, So this is the tiger. Eat here and leave the prey for the hyena, eating the scrumps and I don't know, like the what's left from the gazelle, So don't be hyena and be a tiger. Yes, that's why the hyena hunts in a group, because they're cowards. They can't actually hunt by themselves. Hyena always hunt in a group. And the same here for retail trader. I describe retail trader as hyena. You know why? Because they always buy at the same place. Every new trader buy at the top when they get FOMO. You see? The same with hyena. They eat in a group. You know why? Because they don't know. They see like easy prey. Like some tiger actually hunted gazelle. And it's there. They don't go to hunt the gazelle by themselves because the gazelle is really fast. They can't. So they just find the easy way to eat the gazelle. It's like dead or just steal it, So yeah, don't be hyena, man. FOMO food, exactly. This is it. Whoa, PayPal looking interesting. PayPal looking interesting for a break. PayPal looking interesting for a break right now from this triangle. Let me just check this one. Yeah, it's still looking good. Exactly. Nicola looking good. To be honest with you, man, hyena are really smart animals. Yes, they're deceiving, but they are smart, and they never back down. So yeah, the hyena is like a really crazy animal because they never back down. They never give up. They're vicious. Yes, let's get right to it. Watching Netflix for continuation. HAL. PayPal. PayPal have a weakness here. You see what's happened here? Not good for PayPal, guys. We might have a pullback now. Yeah, PayPal is not good because we kind of broke the triangle. Yeah, PayPal broke the triangle. But in the big picture, we're still looking good for PayPal. We have the 75 as a bottom. So yeah, this one it could be a swing trade. So we'll give it some time. But this is the first signal for weakness because we broke this triangle. HAL pulling back as well. Let me just check if we have a support for that one. Netflix. Wow, Netflix looking good. Netflix looking good. Nikola as well looking good. Let me just put an orange line here because we're getting near the $2.79 resistance. We might have a pullback. Yeah, Nikola, time to pull back. James, no, I never see hyena on two legs. Man, this would be a nightmare to see that. Yes, John, but they kill a lion in a group. Yeah, I saw that. They eat even lions, man. But I saw this video, a group of hyena, almost 20 or 30, a gang of hyena attack a lion, man. This is it's kind of scary. This is madness. Even though their jaw is not that big as a tiger, but hyena have more force. Yeah, this is crazy, man. But this is nature for you guys. A weak animal, with nature selection, gave him the strongest jaw in the animal kingdom. TUP, okay, PayPal. I will take this off. SoFi. Wait a second, let me just check SoFi. Yeah, SoFi is still looking good. Still looking interesting to go there around the 12 or around yeah, maybe the 13. Yeah, maybe the 13. Yeah, SoFi play is really good, man. Netflix doing a new high. And Tesla, we might have a reversal finally for Tesla and seeing the green. TUP and Nikola, both of them are reversing. Yeah, TUP, HAL. Joe Friedman. No, brother, we are not a group of hyena. Maybe yeah. We could actually call ourselves hyena, yes. Because we're not the market maker. The market maker are the tigers, you know. So John Friedman, you have point of view here. Yes, we are the hyenas here. So the idea is, we are the hyena. We try to take the lion and the tiger down. The tiger and the lions are the market maker, you know. So yeah, you have a good analogy here. We are the hyena here. Exactly, Roberto. It's not about size anymore, especially in a human kingdom. Especially in the human kingdom, you know. After the invention of guns, even the coward can actually be the strongest man. That's why sometimes I miss the old days, you know. If you're really strong, you have to prove it with your sword, you know. Sword skills. So that strongest man, he should be really strong, you know. But now, nope. I think I'm gonna change our hunter group to hyena group. I don't know if you... Sometimes some people will take it as a... they get offended, okay? If we called our hunter channel our hyena channel, you know. Hyena group. TRNR. TRNR. Oh, come on, stay there. Anyway, Netflix, yeah, Netflix doing alright here. SoFi, PayPal, yeah, PayPal is still struggling here. Let me just check TRNR, check very quick. Nope. Not good here still. We broke the $2 or the $3.25. So yeah, not good. This one I don't suggest for entry, even though we're pumping 38, but we're pumping from the bottom. So it's not wise to enter. It's not wise to enter on this one. If we broke the $3.20, maybe we might have a good trade. Yeah, maybe. And yeah, we might have a good trade, yes. Toward the 4, $5.25, 7, 8, 29, and $9.90. So yeah, now we're pumping, but if we got rejected here, forget about it. Forget about it. It's pumping. It's pumping. Plug. Yes, plug looking interesting. SoFi pulling back. HAL. This one is a slow mover, okay? So we need to have really patience with this one to go toward the 39, 90, and 41. My target is 41. Maybe not today, but a few days. Maybe. Netflix, yes, Netflix finally doing something really good, which is bumping from the abyss. 6% now in 2 days, from Friday to today. We're missing almost 3%. Tesla in green, finally, Tesla in green. Nikola pulling back because we met with rejection. $2.79. Sam, let's stick with the hunter. Exactly, brother. Nikola, yeah, pulling back down. Now we have a bit of pullback for this one, but I will give it time because even if we pull back, we need to have a test for the 39. Yeah. 2% maybe. Netflix. Nikola's pulling back down. Watch out. Huge pullback down. I think we halted. No, not yet. TUP, yes, TUP is pumping, guys. TUP is pumping. This one, man. Yeah, this one went. Yes, went away, brother. Gone. Gone, baby, gone. If you know this movie, Gone, Baby, Gone. It's a movie about a mother looking for her baby. And he's been kidnapped, and she was looking for him for years, and she never find him actually. And after they find him, he was already dead. It's a really sad story. I think it's based on true event. But yeah, it took Oscar, I think, even. So that's why I don't forget the plot. It's kind of unique. So yeah. Gone, baby, gone. So I always say this for stock that already pumped, you know, and I never took position on them. So I say, gone, baby, gone. Exactly, brother. You are welcome. It was a great hunt for Nikola, yes. It was a good hunt for Nikola. We discussed Nikola actually for the video that we did on the Sunday hunt. Yeah, Nikola was a good hunt, everybody. Yes, we suggested for entry once we break this level around the $2 or $2.45. So we have the first signal for a break here from this ascending channel, and we said the profit taking is here around the $2.79. Yeah, and before that we hunt before for SoFi. Yes, here it was a good hunt on our power hour hunt. Yes, when we entered around the $9.51 and we exited before the rejection. So good trade. Nikola and SoFi was good, not bad. So guys, we're gonna do update later on as usual here on day trade and swing trade for the stock that have potential to squeeze once more. We're gonna do a video around the 8 p.m. CET for today to discuss SoFi and the stocks that we already hunted for today, to hunt for them for tomorrow, and of course for Nikola, because Nikola is about to squeeze. So we have to update our levels for Nikola. So stay tuned for urgent update for Nikola. Thank you for watching. Thank you watching everybody, and spend your time, your valuable time with our Hunter channel here. Plus the like button and the way in or and the way out. And remember that we always do live streaming each day before the market close or before the market open, 3 p.m. CET. And on Friday, we always hunt on our Patreon, exclusively here on our Patreon, to hunt for the stock that have earnings like SoFi that we hunted before the market close on Friday. For the stock and crypto, of course, a major shift in Shiba coin or Dogecoin, and answer all the question. So if you want more action, you can actually join our Hunter channel here, because we always do power hour. We answer all the questions of hunters, and we do day trade, swing trade after each live streaming. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update. Now it's time for a cup of tea, take time off, and then come back to check the market before the close. Cheers, everybody.